Quiz Poll. In this video, let's take a look at Quiz Poll, Add Image, Start, and Widget Mode. Click the New button on the Quiz Poll home screen. Let's make quiz through batch upload. Download and fill out the form according to the guide. Then upload it. Now, let's make poll through individual upload. Enter questions and options. If you want to make the next question, click the plus button on the question number. Once done, save the settings. You can check the uploaded questions on the Quiz Poll home screen. Click the Image button and add an image to the questions and options. Click the Search button on the Upload Image page and add the image. Enter the answer and save it. This is an example of an imaged question. Click the Subject Assessment button on the Quiz Poll home screen. In the imaged questions, click the Zoom button to see a larger image. Change the images using the PRE/NXT button. Click the ANS button and check the answers. Click the WNR button and you can check the students who answered correctly. Click the STT button and view the answer rates in a graph. Click the Poll button on the Quiz Poll home screen. If a question is answered by all students, the NXT button is enabled. If the last question is answered, click the FIN button to end the process. Start the widget mode on the Quiz Poll home screen. Select Type and Time and click the Start button. Once the quiz starts, you need to put answers using a clicker. If a question is answered by all students, the NXT and ANS buttons are enabled. Click the ANS button and check the answers. Click the WNR button and check the students who answered correctly and answer rates. Once the FIN button is clicked, the widget mode is closed. Then the Quiz Poll home screen appears.